Hello everyone! So today I'm going to be showing you how to make spinach gosht. This recipe will serve about 5 people. For this recipe, you would need 2.5 pounds of boiled spinach, 1.5 pounds of lamb meat or meat of your choice, 1 medium-sized onion thinly sliced, 4 tablespoons of yogurt, 4 tablespoons of tomato sauce, 9 to 10 cloves of garlic, 1.5 tablespoons of ginger paste, 1.5 tablespoons of ground green chilies, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon crushed pepper flakes, 1.5 teaspoons of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 3/4 cups of oil, and you will also need some water. In a pressure cooker, add meat, onion, garlic, and all the dried spices, salt, red pepper flakes, coriander powder, and turmeric powder. Add 2 cups of water or enough to cook the meat. Cook on medium heat. The cooking will take about 10 to 15 minutes depending on your meat and pressure cooker. To boil spinach, in a large pot add 2 to 2.5 cups of water. When it comes to boil, then add the spinach. When the water comes to boil, then add the spinach. Turn off the heat as soon as the spinach wilts. Do not overcook. Drain all the water, then grind with a hand mixer or in the chopper. Do not overgrind. Now the spinach is done, drain the water. No need to save the water of the spinach. Now check to see if the meat is ready, and then you can proceed on to the next step. If the meat is not ready, give some more pressure. When the meat is tender, add oil, yogurt, tomato sauce, ginger, and green chili paste. Mix well and cook on medium heat until all the water is dried and oil is separate from the meat. Now the meat is ready. Add spinach to the cooked meat on medium heat until the water is dried and oil is separated from the spinach and meat. Spinach is now ready. You can serve with roti, naan, or basmati rice. If you top it off with heavy cream, it would taste even better. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, bye bye now.